Hey guys, Matt Magee here, your Colorado real estate agent with the Wolfpack at eXp Realty. Today I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into trusts. In one of my previous videos, I was discussing various ways to take title to real estate, which led me to want to dive a little bit deeper into trusts. So today I want to talk about 7 types of trusts, and I'm just going to scratch the surface a little bit with respect to what they do. In future videos, I'll go a bit more in depth into each type of trust, their pros, cons, and primary uses. So first and foremost, I want to discuss a revocable living trust. Revocable living trust is a trust that can be altered or dissolved by the grantor, which is the person who creates the trust, at any time during their lifetime. This type of trust is often used to avoid probate, which is the government taking over, let's say for example, a piece of real estate and selling it on behalf of the estate after death. If you're set up in a trust and you have a will to direct where those assets go, you can often avoid probate. That's the legal process of distributing a deceased person's assets. A second type of trust is irrevocable trusts. Much like the name suggests, an irrevocable trust is a trust that cannot be altered or dissolved by the grantor once it's been created. This type of trust is often used for asset protection from creditors, reduced estate taxes, or perhaps to provide for a family member with special needs. I often say when I'm talking about trust with people, if you're going to use an irrevocable trust, you better be certain because it can't change. The third type is a charitable trust. Charitable trust is a trust that is created to benefit a charitable organization, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. These trusts can be revocable or irrevocable and can provide tax benefits to the grantor. The fourth type of trust is a special needs trust. A special needs trust is a trust that's created to provide for a family member with special needs without disrupting their eligibility for government benefits, such as Medicaid or supplemental security income. The fifth type of trust is a life insurance trust. A life insurance trust is a trust that's created to hold a life insurance policy. This type of trust can be used to avoid estate taxes as well as probate on the death benefit of the policy. The sixth type of trust is a qualified personal residence trust. Qualified personal residence trust, or QPRT, is a trust that's created to transfer primary residence of the grantor to the trust for a specified term, after which the property is distributed to the beneficiaries. And the seventh type of trust is a generation skipping trust. Generation skipping trusts are trusts that are designed to skip a generation of beneficiaries. So for example, a grandparent would skip their kids and go to the grandchildren as beneficiaries. This type of trust is often used to minimize estate taxes and to provide for future generations. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight into the types of trusts, maybe pique your interest a little bit. Stay tuned for future videos as I dive deep into each of these trusts with multiple pros, cons, uses, etc. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a DM, reach out to me via email, phone call, whatever. Happy to discuss your thoughts. These aren't the only trusts available. There are some special trusts as well, which I may dive into a little bit deeper in later videos. But as always, if you have any questions on these and you want to dive a bit deeper, feel free to consult an attorney, a tax planner, etc., as they may be able to work in conjunction to best set you up. So hopefully this has been helpful, piqued your interest a little bit, and raised some questions. If you like it, please feel free to subscribe, hit the notification button, smash the like button. Look out for future content as I'm going to continue to bring value and hopes to elevate your life and your business. Thanks a lot.